Hi, this is Sharon Lim. I blog at sharonitwithyou.blogspot.com. And today we're doing a one-piece Z-fold. It looks like this. There's the top view. And I did it using a couple sets. The hand pen petals stamp set with the penned flowers dies. I put them together here. And then the sentiment I took from Etched in Nature, because I really like that sentiment. So let's get started. So first you want to use a piece of basic white cardstock, and I cut it 9 3/4 by 4 1/4 and scored it 3 times at 3, 5 1/4, and at 7 1/2. And then I took it to my cutter and only cut at 1 1/2, so this distance from here to here is 1 1/2, from the 3-inch line to the 7 1/2-inch line. And then to copy the fold here is this one you do mountain, this one you do valley, and then you do the opposite for this side, so just a mountain on this side and a valley on this side. And when you fold it, it becomes one card like that. Isn't that cool? So then you're going to get some cardstock. Have the measurements here. You have 6 pieces, and I have the measurements here on my strip. And then you want the matching DSPs, the hand pen DSP, and they are just, these measurements are 1/4 inch less than the cardstock. That way when they mount, you'll get a nice frame on there. So I'm going to use our lovely Stampin' Seal. I put a T on the top to remind myself where to put the lid a little later. And we'll start with adhering the bigger pieces. Make sure it's all centered. And then the skinny piece. The 2 rectangles. And the cardstock I'm using is Misty Moonlight. It's one of the colors for the DSP I wanted to match. And then all you have to do once you have them all matted, then you're just going to adhere it onto the actual card. So we'll start with the biggest piece here. That one goes here in the front. The second largest one goes here in the back. And the other 2 matching one goes at the top and the bottom of the part that folds. So I think it's a pretty unique look for the card, and I love the fact that it's using one piece of paper, and it does fit in a regular envelope, A2 envelope, and it's pretty simple as long as you have the measurements. That's the key, and that's it. So all you have left is the sentiment. So I have that label. There you go. Oh, I must have rocked on that one a little bit. Let me try again. Straight up and straight down, I always say. And you won't get that. Ta-da! Alright, so then I want this to be here so I have enough room for the flower here. So I'll just put some adhesive on the side, on the left side. And center it. And then the flower I already stamped with Memento Ink and also inked with some, I believe it's Blushing Bride, Pale Papaya, and Garden Green. I put some leftover dimensionals from the mini dimensionals. I like to use every piece of it, so kind of looks like this where the edges are. So I make little pieces there. So this can go, let's see, how should it go? So you can still see the words. There you go. And that's the one piece Z-fold card. Put my top back up with the T. And we are done. So thanks for allowing me to share this with you. To support me, please like, subscribe, and share to my YouTube channel. And I look forward to seeing you the next time. Thanks. Bye.